Hi, and welcome to Extreme Metal Products. Today we're going to be installing this brand new bumper on this new Kawasaki Ridge. But I want to show you the bumper first. This is made from 11 gauge steel. It's all laser cut, CNC formed. All the ends are welded and ground smooth, giving it a real nice finish. And then we powder coat it with a texture black, as you can see here. And how it mounts is, we'll show you here. We've already got one bracket mounted on here, but what we're going to do is we're going to replace the stock pin with this 1/2 inch bolt. And before we go any farther, I want to tell you, unhook the gas strut, the top of it that pushes the bed up. Otherwise, when you try to pull that pin out, when you pull it out, it's going to have tension on it. So unhook it so the pin will come out freely. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take out this stock pin, then we're going to replace it with this nut, bolt washer and nuts provided. So again, we're going to put it like this. The flange is going to be towards the outside. So we're going to take this, we're going to put it in a hole here. But what's nice about this, unlike the factory one, this actually mounts to the frame. Actually, I want to show you something before we do this. On the side over here, these are the factory mounting points. It comes with rib nuts, so you're going to need a M6 or 1/4 20 rib nut insertion tool. These are cheap if you don't have them. They're 10 bucks or something on Amazon. But basically, you're going to put these 2 rib nuts into the holes that are already in the frame. So you're not going to be drilling any new holes to install this. So then once we get that in place, we'll take this and we're going to go like this. Put that on there like that. Put another washer here, 1/2 inch. You put that like that there. Then when we go on the side here, you can stop.